Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Hugging Face. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in huggingface.co and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Hugging Face website where you can continue to log into your website by clicking on the login button at the top right corner if you haven't done so already. Now, once you have logged into your account using your credentials, you will be taken into your homepage. Now, from the homepage, if you wish to change your username, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. Now, from the Settings menu, you will be able to see your full name in the profile settings. But this is not your username, so in order to change your username, click on Account. From the Account menu, you will find the username option. Simply go ahead and enter whatever username you want to change into, and then you can simply click on Save Changes. Once you click on this link, you will be asked to enter your new username once again to confirm it, so go ahead and type it in and click on OK. And now your username will immediately be changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on Hugging Face. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.